All right, this is a really important landscaping tip. Purple and yellow are really cool to contrast in the garden because they're on opposite sides of the color wheel, and that makes for a very intense contrast. So here we can see this is a loropetalum, sometimes called Chinese fringe, and we've got sunshine ligustrum, which are these 4 to 5 foot tall shrubs that are here, that bright chartreuse yellow. And then we've got a Japanese maple, looks like probably a bloodgood maple, to give you that reddish color as well. That is a gorgeous maple. And it's just a really cool pairing between the dark purple and the chartreuse yellow. If the yellow wasn't there, that shrub is so dark, that loropetalum is so dark, that you wouldn't really see it against this building. It would kind of blend into those windows, but because it's got the yellow backdrop, it just looks really, really nice. So nice job to the landscapers here in Paris, Texas at this sporting complex.